Children, today we are going to learn how to solve this problem, and this is from the chapter vectors, and it is given as you can see the question. A bar and B bar are two vectors with magnitude of 20 and 25 respectively. The angle between them is 37 degrees. So find the angle between A bar plus B bar and A bar. So let us try to do this one. Now just write down the given data. So what they have given to you, magnitude of A bar. So modulus of A bar is given 20 and modulus of B bar they have given as 25, and angle between A bar and B bar is given as 37 degrees. Now try to depict this one in the diagrammatic form. So you can just try to understand this is, you can take the application of parallelogram law of vector addition. See here, assume like this is your A bar, assume like this is your A bar and this is your B bar. So the two vectors are A bar and B bar given in this way, and the angle between these two vectors is given how much? 37 degrees, and this is A bar and this is B bar, and already we know about this one. So how we have done this previously in the parallelogram law of vectors? So we just constructed a parallelogram, just transposing or translating these vectors parallelly. So this is also A bar, and then this turns out to be B bar. So thus this is a parallelogram, and according to parallelogram law of vector addition, if A bar and B bar are your adjacent sides, then what is going to happen? The resultant, that is A bar plus B bar, the resultant, that is A bar plus B bar, will be its diagonal, and you can see this is the resultant, and this is the resultant of A bar plus B bar. So now they are asking you about the angle between A bar plus B bar and A bar. What is that one? We already know that the angle is alpha. The angle is alpha, and we now should calculate this angle. So therefore just extend this A bar a bit and drop a perpendicular from B bar a bit like this, and just we will get a right angle triangle here. And already we have taken this one and we had a formula to find out this. It is given by tan alpha is equals to B sin theta upon A plus B cos theta. Just a substitute and you can get the value of alpha. So let us do this one. B, what is B? Magnitude of B bar, that is 25, into sin theta. What is sin theta? Sin 37 degrees, whole divided by A value, that is magnitude of A bar, 20, plus B cos theta, that is 25 into cos 37 degree. So now already we had these approximate values. Sin 37 degree is equals to 3 upon 5, and cos 37 degree is equals to 4 upon 5. So just substitute these two values to get simplified this one. So therefore 25 multiplied by 3 upon 5, that is sin 37 degree, whole divided by 20 plus 25 into cos 37, 4 upon 5. Just to cancel the terms, 5 ones are 5 5s are, and similarly here also 5 ones are 5 5s are. So which you will get output as 5 3s are 15 divided by 20 plus again it is 20. So therefore you are going to get tan alpha is equals to 15 upon 40. You can cancel to a proper fraction as 5 3s are and 5 8s are. So which will give you finally 3 by 8. As they are asking between angle between A bar plus B bar and A bar, so we require only alpha. So therefore alpha is equals to tan inverse of 3 upon 8. So this is the final required answer, that is the angle between A bar plus B bar and A bar. So we have taken the application of parallelogram law of vector addition to solve this problem. Hope you all understood. So thank you very much.